In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO keywords in Wix. We'll walk through the Wix editor together and make simple changes that help search engines understand your pages. First, log into your Wix account, choose the site you want to work on, and click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. On the left, open Pages and Menu and pick the page you want to optimize, maybe your home, about, services, or a specific blog post. Starting with your most important pages will give you the biggest impact. Next, open the SEO settings for that page. Click the three dots beside the page name and choose SEO Basics, sometimes labeled SEO or Google. This panel is where you manage keywords and the metadata that appears in search results. Begin with your title tag. This is the blue clickable headline people see on Google. Place your main keyword at the front, like photography services in Manila, your studio. Keep it concise, about 60 characters, so it won't be cut off. Then write your meta description. Use one or two clear sentences that include your main keyword and your value proposition. Aim for under 160 characters. Think of this as your elevator pitch. It should make someone want to click. If you're comfortable with more advanced options, open Advanced SEO or Structured Data. Here you can add custom meta tags, set up schema markup for things like products or events, and control robots meta tags such as noindex if you don't want a page to appear in search. Only adjust these if you're sure what they do because they can affect visibility. Now place those keywords naturally in your visible content. Update your headings, H1 and H2s, so they reflect what the page is about. Work keywords into your paragraphs and product or service descriptions without stuffing. Add descriptive image alt text so both accessibility tools and search engines can understand your visuals. For blog posts, choose a focus keyword and use it in the post title, the first paragraph, the URL slug, the meta description, and a few times throughout the article in a way that reads smoothly. When you're happy with the updates, click Publish to make the SEO changes live. Repeat this process for your key pages: home, services, about, contact, and important blog posts. That's how you add SEO keywords in Wix, by editing the title tag and meta description in SEO Basics, adding your keywords into headings and page content, and using alt text and advanced tags carefully. You help search engines understand your pages and improve your chances of ranking. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the content.